Training Module 4, the assessment criteria of the contextualized SBAM-SB tool carried out on a building scale. We will consider in this presentation an indicator for the solid waste from building operation. This falls under the issue of environmental loadings under the category of solid and liquid waste. So basically the objective of this indicator is to facilitate the separation of collection and recycling of solid waste from the building operation. The concept of this indicator is to reduce the loading on landfills, because landfills are increasingly a pressing problem since less land is available for the use of waste. And as such, segregation of waste is a priority because it reduces the amount of waste that ends up in the landfill, and it introduces the possibility of reuse and recycling. The indicator is expressed as a percentage, so it's basically the ratio of the number of collectible solid waste categories within 100 meters distance from the building's entrance to the reference solid waste category. So it's expressed as a percentage and is based as an estimate during the design stage, and an actual measurement can be carried out during the occupation stage. The 7 categories considered in this indicator are paper, plastic, metal, glass, wet waste, textiles, and special hazardous waste as separate waste collection points. So in this calculation we need to identify the availability and position of the bins for these 7 solid waste categories. We have to calculate the walking distance in meters from the building's main entrance to each of these containers, evaluate how many of these 7 categories are within 100-meter walking distance, and then we calculate the ratio as the number of those bins which are available within 100 walking distance divided by 7. If a single bin is used to collect different waste types, then this can be added more than once. So it means that if a single bin is used to collect both glass and metal, then this will have a value of 2 rather than 1. So the assessment method, you collect the necessary documentation. So basically you need the municipality's regulation about solid waste management, plan of the area in which the building is located, and the position of the waste collection areas, as well as the types of categories that exist in that area. Then you calculate the walking distance from the main entrance to the waste category bin, and then one has to determine the number of waste categories which are available within 100 meters from the entrance. Then we divide this by 7. So the indicator is calculated by determining those number of collection containers which are within a distance of 100 meters walking distance, divided by 7 times 100%.